Hey guys, today I'll show you how to host multiple WordPress websites on one VPS using OLS Panel. So this one is free and it comes with open light speed, and you just need to have one VPS. So I suggest get a VPS on DartNode, either Ryzen or NVMe, and get your domains on Namecheap. So let's get started. So get a DartNode VPS. If you don't know how to set up DartNode VPS, I will put a tutorial on the description so you can follow. So I'll just quickly log into my DartNode. So this is how your DartNode VPS control panel looks like, and we will be using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So now let's connect to our server using a free SSH client called Bitbuys. So just quickly copy this IP address and I'll put the host, which is the IPv4, and I'll just quickly log in. Accept and save. Paste your root password, which is located here. OK, and click New Terminal Console. And let's update our system first. Sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes. Next, we will install OLS Panel. So we will copy this command right here, paste it here, and just hit enter. So we have finished installing OLS Panel, and let's access our panel using this URL. We'll open this in new tab. So click advanced and proceed. Then we will use admin as username and we'll copy this password. So admin and password and hit enter. And we'll come to your OLS panel dashboard. First, we will need to add DNS records so that we can access our panel securely, and for our A record on our root domain. So let's go to Namecheap, and I have bought 2 domains already, and we will go to advanced DNS. We will just delete this and this. Okay, so we will add a new record that will be an A record. For our host, just choose or just put at and copy the IP address. Just click this check mark, and we will add a subdomain called panel so that we can access our OLS panel using this. So this will be a subdomain, be panel, and let's paste the IP address and save. Okay, let's go back. So now let's create a user. So just go to users, add user, and we will add domain. So this will be webchunks.store. So we will choose the latest available. So web chunks. Copy web chunks. And we'll paste a password and just click add user. Next, we will add the panel domain. So let's go to domains go to domains, and we will add a domain. Then select the user and we will enter the domain. This will be panel.webchunks.store. You can just choose any version and just click add domain. Then we'll go back to dashboard and we will go to panel SSL. So we will select the domain and just click save. Okay, we will be redirected to the panel.webchunks.store. Okay, we will use the same credentials, so admin and password. So now we are using SSL with our subdomain panel.webchunks.store. Now it's time to install WordPress. So let's go to users, list users, and we will click login. So now we will install WordPress. Let's go to the left menu. Let's go to OLS app and we will install WordPress. So just click install WordPress. Okay, we will choose HTTPS and this will be our domain, and we will install this in our root directory. So we will remove WP, and for the version, this is default. You can set your site title, for instance, my first WP, and let's set a username. Then password, and just click install WordPress. And you can now access your WordPress with this URL for your administration. And okay, this will be an auto login. So we will update WordPress database and let's continue. So now you have successfully installed your first WordPress on OLS Panel. So you can now add themes, install plugins, and add content. And you can now customize your first WordPress. So let's try to install a theme so that it will be more appealing. Okay, let's add a theme. Let's say Cadence. Let's install this free theme. Okay, we will install AI templates. So we'll choose pre-designed templates. Okay, we will use this free. Next. And we will launch. Okay, we will see my site. Okay, we'll close this one. And now our first WordPress website is live with this theme. And now if you want to add another domain or domains, just add a record for your domain. So I have already added a record. And we will go to this dashboard. So we have logged in the user. So here we will add a domain. So we will click add domain. We'll enter our second domain. Okay, that will be webchunks.space. Select a PHP version and just click add domain. So now let's go to OLS app. Sorry about that. and we will install WordPress. And here we can now see this second domain, and we will remove WP because we will install this on the root domain. So let's say my second site. Okay, web shanks, and we will set an admin password. Okay, and we will install WordPress. Okay, success. And now let's go to admin. Okay, we'll update the database and let's continue. So now we have successfully installed a WordPress website on our second domain. So now we have two websites on one VPS, and this is how to host multiple WordPress websites on one VPS. So I suggest you get more RAM if your WordPress websites are growing, and also secure your VPS with SSH keys and disable root login. So if you have any questions, just put them down below and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.